Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Bouquet by KK House, and this is Kelly. In this video, I will introduce you the safest money bouquet style. As you can see, we won't need to tape the money bills. All the bills will stay in a bag. The bouquet you're looking at is 50 bills, but in this video, we're just going to make a smaller version of 15 bills. Let's begin with the material list first. What we have here is a paper cutter. We have 2 pairs of scissors, one for bamboo sticks and one for papers, a tape dispenser. Here's the main character. It's called a money K bag. You can find these on Amazon. I have a block of dried foam. I highly recommend buying a foam block with an individual plastic wrap like this. Next is bamboo sticks. I'm holding 6 inches one, but I also use 8 inches one. Lastly, we have wrapping papers and tissue papers. And of course, we would definitely need money. Best news that you don't need new bills for this style. Okay, everything is ready. We are moving to the first step. We are going to take 15 bags and start adding money into them. As I mentioned earlier, we don't need new bills for this style. However, I still recommend using new money for better visibility. Now that I have 15 money bags ready, I will start attaching bamboo stick on each of them. I will use about 10 sticks of 8 inches bamboo first, and then another 5 of 6 inches. To make it less complicated for you, you can always tape all 15 bags with the 8 inches bamboo sticks, because later on you can always trim the bamboo stick shorter. We are going to tape the height of the money bills up to 2/3 of the height. And make sure that you tape all the bills in the same direction. One tip, because tape stays very good on plastic, so we can just use regular tape here. The stickiness of tape on plastic is very strong. I am done with 15 bags. Trust me, this is the easiest taping for Money Bouquet that I have ever done. Look at all of them so straight and in place. Let's move to the next step. In order to start arranging step, I will start adding a backdrop for the bouquet first. I will explain why we need to do it later on. For the backdrop, I am going to cut a pre-cut 60 cm by 60 cm wrapping paper into half first. The bouquet wrapping paper that I'm using is a sold-out style. It was so popular back in May and June during the graduation season. I always have a lot of different styles that listed on my Etsy and Shopify page. For the foam block, this is a dried foam. You can buy them at the Dollar Tree store. To answer why I recommend buying a dry foam block with an individual wrap, because we're gonna tape onto the foam, so with the plastic wrap it will help a lot. I am not very good at explaining the wrapping technique, so I am just going to go very slow here. This wrapping technique is a little advanced, but once you get used to it, it's actually less work than others. Now that I have the backdrop ready, I am going to start adding the first 6 bags on. To explain why we need a backdrop, this style has a flat and white top layer. It is easier to have the backdrop on first. It also will help you align all the bills better. For the second layer, I will use 4 bags. To create layers, I will trim the bamboo stick a little bit shorter. Third layer will be 3 bags, and the last layer is 2 bags, in total to have 15 bags. As I go forward to the front layers, I will use the front side of the foam block to create more layer effect like this. Okay, let's move to the wrapping step. I am going to use total of 2 sheets of pre-cut floral wrapping papers and cut them into 8 pieces. To save time and to have a clean cut for wrapping papers, I definitely recommend using a board cutter. They have been saving my time so much more. It is very satisfying to watch it, isn't it? Now let's tape them on the bouquet. Basically, you fold it into half and tape them onto the side of the bouquet. What I like about this bouquet is I use tape to secure the papers instead of cotton wire like before. Cotton strings secure the bouquet very well, however it does hurt your fingers. Tape, on the other hand, is quite expensive and sticky to work with. I am adding tissue paper in the front of the bouquet to make the fluffy looking. I am on the last piece of paper right now. Requirement for this bouquet is the bill needs to be straight and layer up. To help the bouquet stand by itself, I am gonna trim away this extra paper at the bottom. Last step is to add on a beautiful ribbon and then we are all done. Here is the final look of fan style money bouquet. I do have a listing for this fan style as a DIY version on my Etsy page and Shopify. All you have to do is just add on your own money and some other like flower sticker to make it your own version. I will add the link in my description box so you can check it out on my Etsy or Shopify page. I am done with my tutorial today. I hope that you enjoy it and this tutorial will be helpful for your next money bouquet project. I do have a major tutorial for you coming soon about my best-selling named 7 Roses Money Bouquet. It will be available in December, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notification. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. This is Kelly and see you guys soon in the next video.